Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing office listings under the search menu in Flex MLS. In this webinar, I'll review what office listings is and what it'll display and how you access it. So let's begin. So how you access office listings in your agent account, you click on Menu, and then underneath Search, click on Office Listings. Office listings will display only the active and pending listings within your office. So the office that I belong to, these are the active and pending listings for my office. So that setting can't be changed. So this is everyone's listings within your office. So you have access to any of the search results screen functions using these listings here. So if you'd like to email them or print them or pull them into a CMA, save them into a listing collection, export them, pop them into a showing cart, you have access to all of the same functionality here. Okay? If you are logged in as the office, not as an agent, as an agent, my Met.Rosie Realtor account belongs to the Met.Nancy office account. Just to show you that, I'm going to log into the office's account. So if you're an office administrator, yours will be a little bit different because you can change the settings for what you see in the account. So I'll click on Menu, and then I'll go to Office Listings here. So here over in the Realtor account, it was 10 listings. Over here, there's 12 listings because the settings in the office's administrative account is set to show expired listings. How you would change these settings are going into Menu, and then underneath the Preferences section, go to General Preferences, and then you can change that down in this section here. This will conclude our webinar on the review of office listings in Flex MLS.